Hi everyone, my name is Ibel Kantuma. Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually um, install your plugins in your Sketchup software. Okay, the plugins actually help you to uh, achieve your designs faster, easier, and even faster. Okay, so the importance of plugins in every software cannot be overemphasized. Okay, it actually fastens the process of your design. Okay, it speeds up the process of your design. So let's go through the process right away. When you uh, install your SketchUp, it comes by default without these plugins. You can see it's actually looking very empty aside from uh, the regular SketchUp tools that are in the SketchUp itself. But there are plugins that can help you achieve an automatic staircase, plugins that can help you achieve an automatic roof. There are plugins for doors, windows, and all of that. So there are so many different kind of plugins on SketchUp that can make your job 10 times faster than the regular way you actually want to do your designs from your SketchUp. SketchUp is one very great software that for architectural design. Me personally, I can tell you that SketchUp is one of the most simplest software that I have ever come across as far as architectural modeling is concerned. All right, so let's jump right into it. So the first thing I will do now is to locate my plugins. Very important, you need to have the plugins. So I will locate that folder right away. So as you can see, this is actually the folder. All I need to do is to open this folder, and then I will highlight all of this. Once I highlight this, I will right click and I will click on copy. Okay, so I will come to my PC here and I will open this, and then I will try to locate these users. I locate users. So once I get to my user, I will locate this is Dell, which is my system is Dell. Okay, so if I open this Dell now, I'm going to see app data. I will open this app data and I will come to roaming. Then I will come to SketchUp because it's a SketchUp software, and then I'll open SketchUp 2022. Sorry, all right, then I'll open this SketchUp here. Then I'll come to the plugins, and then I will right click and I will click on paste. So I will allow it to finish pasting because it may take a while to finish pasting the files. But I already have them pasted here already, so I'm not going to go through the entire process of pasting it all over again. By the time you are done pasting the entire files, you come to your SketchUp here, then you try to open any of the SketchUp file that is installed, any of the SketchUp designs you have done, or you can just open the SketchUp directly on its own. You are going to find all of those files that have all of those plugins that have been installed. Now you can see here is telling me 1001 bit pro successfully loaded license to. Now it's telling me that those plugins that I pasted there, they have been loaded successfully. Now you can see they are loading here in our SketchUp. Now these are the plugins, a whole lot of them. As you can see, they are much, so you have to manually take out your time to arrange all of these plugins. You can see some of the most common plugin that you are going to need. You can see this one, horizontal loaves. You can see we have some of the most interesting one you may want to use. You can see build standard escalator. I always like to use this tool for groove. create horizontal groove line on selected face. Another very great one. You can see create opening on vertical walls. You can create opening automatically on walls and all of that. So it has a lot of great tools here that you can take advantage of to make your job way more faster, way more easier. Okay, so if you love what you're seeing, make sure that you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. Post videos like this on the weekly, sometimes on the daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Okay, make sure you stay safe and stay blessed.